Hey, today I'm talking about CEOs who have organizations whose employees need to be trained on technical competencies. Normally, when I talk about this, I'm talking about IT or cybersecurity, but I'm actually talking beyond this in this case. Construction, manufacturing, business, IoT, all of these. If you're in the state of Ohio and you're watching this before October 29th, you may have a way to actually get training for your employees paid for by the state through a program called Tech Cred. Now, if you go to the website, and we'll have it in the comments, but it's techcred.ohio.gov, there's a process where the state will actually reimburse you for up to $2,000 per employee for approved credential-oriented training. Think about it. A lot of the problems that organizations are having in terms of hiring these days, but pretty much for the past couple of decades, is people with the appropriate training and experience. And in some cases, we have employees who are eager to do the job, but they've never been given the training. This is an opportunity for you to get them the training. And yes, you have to allocate the time for that employee to be trained. And you have to allocate the money, but the state refunds it. Simplex IT, we're using this training program, and we've added training for about 10 of our employees, and it's worked out really well. The state has opened windows of about a month each where you can apply for these funds. I strongly suggest you take a look at this site and see whether or not this is a great opportunity for you to create opportunities for your employees to create better opportunities for you. If you'd like to know more about this program, DM me or email me, bob@simplex-it.com. And here's the catch. I'm not selling anything. I'm just pointing out this great program for you to use and take advantage of. And by the way, Thursday I'll be talking about the same thing from your internal IT folks. So they may come to you about this if you don't go to them. So, do you have any great opportunities to train your employees on technical issues for free? Tell me about it in the comments below. I'm interested.